trans fatty acid, which are problematic. They cause heart attacks. So they need to do away with the process. They have already done it. Most of these manufacturers have today switched over the old method of hydrogen gas based production system to another system where the oil doesn't have those trans fatty acids. Those trans fatty acid is banned across the world today in Europe and other countries. Today they are manufacturing this. And I can tell you, if you are eating bread, biscuit, bun, you are consuming vanaspati. You are consuming trans fatty acid. So there is no doubt about it.
So among vanaspati, starch and lead, the lead was...
I would say one of the biggest problem with this kind of product is that the artificial colors, particularly the banned color, if they have used lead chromate, then it is a serious health problem. Again, I wouldn't say that you eat today, you fall sick tomorrow. This is a question of culmination. Is how long-term exposure to these heavy metals lead to health problems. It is said that it's not question of, that's why it's said that bleeding is worse than bloody. It's not a one-time problem, but a slow accumulation of these heavy metals. When they reach certain levels, it's the dose that decides the poison, and the accumulation and the culmination, and they don't get metabolized out to the body, so they get accumulated. That's the problem. And then the artificial flavors, number of them. Okay. You see, it is said, one of the studies, that in a year we almost consume about 6 kg of additives, food additives, every person is consuming in the developing world. In the developed world they consume almost double, almost 12 kg of food additives, colors, flavors, 12 kg of them in a year.
Naga, it's very complicated. The government sets rules and some are accepted, some are not accepted. Vanaspati is hydrogenated, it's good, bad. Does it all add to the confusion that BBMP has to go through when it comes to testing all these?
Yeah, usually we'll collect samples and we'll submit it to laboratory. From getting their results, we'll take action those trades.
Well, there are some strict rules and regulations in place.
But, yeah,
yes.
But recently this new act is implemented now.
So that's stricter than the previous one.
Yeah.
Okay. In fact, we will slip into a short break now. But as we slip into the break, think about this, because during Diwali there is something called the Lakshmi Puja. The goddess of wealth is appeased. But what about the goddess of health? After all, health is wealth. Slipping into a short break. On the other side, some test results. Also your calls and thoughts to our panelists here. George is here. We also have Raghu and Tara, dietitian. All of them will take your calls and also answer some of the queries, because you might be going to your fridge right now, looking into the fridge and seeing what are the sweets that I have bought. Are they safe to be consumed? If you have any questions, call us in. Let us know your thoughts on the other side of this break. Stay with us.
New Crossing